Back in the old days, porcelains were not very strong, and in order to put a crown on a tooth or to restore a tooth with a crown, and you needed a cosmetic solution, the porcelain crown would normally have to have a layer of gold or other metal underneath to give the tooth strength or to give the crown strength, and then the porcelain is layered over the top. Now, an example of that you can see here. This is what you might call an old classic style of crown. They work beautifully, they are very strong and very long lasting, but they're not particularly beautiful because you've got that layer of metal underneath that you're trying to mask. You have to mask that with the porcelain. And so the crowns tend to be a little bit artificial looking, a little bit fake. On a back tooth, sometimes, of course, that's not really going to matter. But the nice thing is that today we have a much bigger selection of porcelains, and the one that I am particularly using the most and I've had tremendous success with is a porcelain called Emax. And the beauty of it is that it's very strong. It bonds beautifully to the tooth, but it does not require any metal underneath. So it is pure porcelain, and here is an example of an Emax crown. Now, these crowns are beautiful. They reflect and refract light in the same way that a natural tooth does, and there's no dark shadowing that you sometimes will see around near the gum margins of people that might have had a crown or a series of crowns. You don't get that at all. They look beautiful, and they look beautiful for many, many years to come. So any crowns that we are doing in what we might call the cosmetic zone of the mouth, in the vast majority of cases, we will be using an Emax crown for you. They are the most beautiful crowns available today. They're very strong, and when bonded into the tooth with the special bonding resins that we use, they give you an extremely aesthetic, long-lasting result, and are far superior to what we were able to do in years gone by.